So today we are here in our London office on Regent Street, and we're with Alicia from the University of Liverpool, who's going to answer some of our questions that some of our students have put forward on our social media platforms. So the first question that we're going to talk about today are, what are the most popular subjects at Liverpool University, Alicia?
For international students, the most popular subjects are in our management school and in our School of Engineering. So programs like marketing, management, international business, accounting, finance, those are the most popular programs in our management school. And within engineering, things like civil engineering, aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, those are probably the most popular, but we do have many more.
Great, thank you. What is the environment like at Liverpool, at the Liverpool campus? Is it extremely multicultural? How many different nationalities do you have?
Yeah, absolutely. So we do have a campus in the center of the city of Liverpool. So all the academic buildings are in one area, accommodation is there, there's a sports center. So it's a very campus feel, but you have access to the city. As far as the diversity on campus, in total we have about 24,000 students, and about 1/3 of those are international students. So they're coming from all over the world, places like China, Vietnam, Japan, Korea, places in Europe, the Americas, Africa, you name it, we have students on campus. The city is very friendly and welcoming, and so we do enjoy and celebrate the diversity in Liverpool and at the university.
Perfect, thank you. So what is the entry requirement for the MSc Accounting and the MSc in Finance courses?
Yep. So for these two courses and all of our postgraduate courses at the University of Liverpool, we would require a 2-1 overall for your undergraduate degree or the international equivalency. Now the equivalencies are listed on our website if you have any questions as to what that might mean as to where you're from, or you can obviously ask the counselors here at Amber. With MSc Accounting and Finance specifically, they are quite competitive programs. So we do look at the modules that you've taken in your undergraduate program, just to make sure that you have the required number of courses in things like accounting or economics. But those would be the general requirements for those courses.
That's great, thank you. What is the entry requirement for the BA in the Accounting and Finance course?
Yep, so again, the English equivalency would be an AAB overall, or the international equivalent. There are no other specific requirements for that program, so there's no subject-specific requirements that you need to have for that course.
Perfect, thank you. What subjects do you offer at your London campus?
Yep, so our London campus has postgraduate taught programs only. They're very professions focused, and they center around business and communications, health and planning programs. So we have things like an MSc in accounting, MSc in finance and investment management, finance and actuarial mathematics, business, law and economics, and strategic communications. Those are the major ones.
That's great, thank you. So would you normally have to undergo an interview if you were to apply for, say, your undergraduate or your postgraduate business courses?
For business or management related courses, there's no interview required. Only our clinical subjects have interviews. So just the application, your reference letters, and your personal statement.
Perfect, thank you. What kind of scholarships do you offer for international students?
So the main scholarship that we offer to international students, both at the undergraduate and the postgraduate level, is called our Vice Chancellor's International Award. Now for undergraduate students that achieve an AAB or the equivalent, we give a £2,000 reduction off of tuition and fees. If you get AAA or better and the equivalent, it's a £2,500 reduction. For postgraduate students, if you graduate with the first class degree, then you would get a £2,500 reduction on your tuition fee. So those are the general scholarships that we have. You don't need to apply, they're automatically given, but there are some subject-specific scholarships as well, so it's always worth looking at our website for more.
Perfect. So